So I wanted to show you an app that I've been working on here that allows you to send your prompt to a variety of models and potentially to an agent. The difference between models is that they are just going to be a particular LLM with a system prompt that I've provided, whereas an agent will be a similar thing but also include grounded data. So if we start on the model option here, we make sure that target is set to model. And then what I'm going to do here is paste in a prompt down the bottom. Now you'll notice at the moment that the selected model is a model router, which means it will choose the best LLM to use during processing. So there's the prompt. The prompt will be sent up to my Azure AI Foundry environment, and then the response will be gathered and will also be displayed on the screen here. So you'll see here that it's returned that pretty quickly using the model router because the router's been able to choose the best model. And in this case, it's chosen to use GPT OSS120B. Now, if I clear that out, and what I'm going to do here is select a different model here. So what I'm going to do is select the DeepSeek-R1, and I will put in the same prompt and submit that. That will then submit that to the Azure AI Foundry environment again, but in this case, it will specify to use the DeepSeek model. Now, remember, the models don't have any data grounding, so it's just what the model actually knows, or its own information there. And you'll see here it comes back with a response, and you'll see that I get confirmation that is using the DeepSeek R1 model here. Now, the time taken to display the prompt and to render it will depend or vary on the different model, because the different models return different amounts of data, some of them more, some of them less. That's why generally the recommendation is to use the model router, because it will make the best decision based on the prompt that it sees, and that will allow it to work and render the required data. Now, when that has rendered totally, you'll see here we get quite an extensive answer back or return from using DeepSeek there, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to clear that, and we're going to change the target from model to agent. Now, the difference here is with an agent, it's using a model plus a system prompt, but also it's got grounded data, so it's got data sources it can use. So I'm going to put that in there, send it the same prompt, and we should get back generally a better response because we've got grounding data there. But the idea is with this app, you can choose whatever model that you prefer to get a result and use that, or you can swap across and use the agent capability, which also has that grounded data. So you'll see here, if I scroll through it, we get obviously a lot more detail and probably a higher quality as well. Now, the output from this can be copy and pasted, so you can just select it, copy and paste it. But at the top under File, I've also got the option to export it as text, also as Markdown and HTML. Down the bottom here, I can clear, copy, I can upload an image, I can send the result, authorize access to my Azure AI Foundry, and you'll see here I've also got the ability to save and edit prompts so that I can reuse them over and over again. Up the top, I've also got the ability to change the font, so I can go in here and change the font size. So the return or the display is, to whatever size suits your desire here. So remember, I can now change here from model and select a variety of models here to apply my prompt to. And then if I want, I can swap back to agent. An agent also has that grounded data as well. So again, hopefully a tool that people will be able to use and work with. And if you do have any suggestions or what you think would help to improve this, by all means, let me know so I can start building this. But I will continue to work on this over time.